So this is going to be a more simple video where I just show the different types of storage when you deallocate it with your virtual machine. So let me go back to the Windows Server virtual machine that I created in a previous video. And I'm gonna, I already did RDP before, so I'm just gonna go to it here. And I'm gonna make a different notepad file, just temp storage, whatever. And just to show that in the virtual machine, there's a C drive where you put permanent storage, and it has a temporary storage drive. And if you look at the README, actually, well, first let's just do this. Open the file directory. It lets you know it's a temporary disk, and you're gonna lose storage, so don't store anything in here. Your data. So anyway, I just created this file. So if you power down, shut down and restart inside the VM, everything in temporary storage stays there. So I'll show that. Let's just do restart. And I'm gonna pause and come back to it when it's ready. So I just connected back to it through RDP again. And anyway, let's check the file directory. And our file is still here. Cool. So you could, if you want to keep files, then you need to restart shutdown. Don't worry if you do inside the VM. But if you stop it because you want to deallocate your VM to save money when you're not using it, and also you'll lose your public address if you do that. I don't care. So I don't need to reserve it. But if you stop it here, then it deallocates it, and you're going to lose your temporary storage. So when this is done being stopped, I'm going to refresh it, start it up again, and connect to it. And then we'll see if that file that we created in the temporary storage is going to stay. Okay, so it stopped the virtual machine. And refresh it. I'm going to start it back up. Let's connect to it. So we got to wait till it's ready. So I'll come back. Alright, virtual machine's ready. Connect to it. Okay, I'm going to refresh it. Alright, so change to running. Now we can connect. And when it's ready, I'll open up, well, I'll see if the file's there. Actually, I'll just wait. It's almost ready. Open up the file directory. And that file's gone. But if you go to recent files, it thinks it's there, but it's not. And so that's just the difference between deallocating in the portal and just shutting down here. So if you want to keep things permanent, keep them in here, the C drive, and not the temporary storage.